So guys, welcome back to a new video, and today we're gonna be talking about WiseBit AI, the new trading platform out there, and you will be finding all of the links and resources used in this video in the description below, so make sure you check out those too. And if you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to answer those as soon as possible. Enjoy the video. Disclaimer, I'm not a financial advisor. This video is only for informational and educational purposes. So guys, we are now on the official website of WiseBit AI. So the links and resources used in this video will be in the description below, so make sure you check those out. And WiseBit is officially a new platform out there for trading, and it offers a variety of account types that we will be going through, and it is already listed on Binance and already talking about it. And of course on CoinMarketCap there is also some blogs that speak about WiseBit. So basically we're gonna be going through the official website of WiseBit, and here you can see it is featured on Yahoo Finance, YouTube, Medium, Crunchbase, Microsoft, Google, CoinMarketCap, and Binance. And these are the reasons why you should be choosing WiseBit as your first choice. So first of all, the trading tools that WiseBit is offering. Second of all, the security, and this site is actually pretty secure, and I'm feeling really that I can trust this platform so I can trade and execute my transactions. Of course, dedicated hardware, and you get paid to trade. There is also this program that we will be talking about also, which is the crypto rebate program. We'll be seeing that in a bit. Here you can be finding different blogs and different indicators on what you can be trading on WiseBit. For example, forex, indices, crypto, stocks, commodities, and many other products. And of course here you could be learning a lot about the global markets, and you are getting some really interesting insights live, going up and down, and with many guides that explain. Of course, these are the account types on WiseBit, and on WiseBit there is 5 different account types. So the first one is the basic. It has a 500 euro minimum deposit. It has a minimum spread of 1.5 and a max leverage 1 to 10. The bronze account, which is the second account type on this platform, it has a 10,000 euros minimum deposit. It has a minimum spread of 1.2, and it has a maximum leverage up to 1 by 20. The silver, 50,000 minimum deposit. The minimum spread is 0.8 and the max leverage up to 1 by 30. The gold is 100,000 euros as a minimum deposit. The minimum spread is 0.5 pips and the max leverage up to 1 by 40. And VIP, it is starting from 250,000 euros. The minimum spread is from 0.2 pips. The max leverage is up to 1 by 50. And all of these accounts, they offer personal account manager, and for the gold and VIP they offer world-class personal account manager. And of course it is available on different devices as a website or as an app, and you could be seeing all of these payment methods. You could be using them inside of the website like Visa, Bitcoin, Zofort, Apple Pay, Google Pay, and PayPal. And next we're going to be talking about their blog here on Binance Square, and of course you will be finding the link for the Binance Square and for the CoinMarketCap in the description below, so make sure you check out those at the end of the video. So WiseBit here, it says that it enhances the financial decisions with user-friendly platform. Everything is clear, and on WiseBit it is about the positive user feedback, and of course the platform's effectiveness, accessible financial solutions, and many other really interesting features. You'll be finding the information about the company and the company details at the end of the blog. And of course on CoinMarketCap it also talks about how it ensures strong security measures to secure crypto assets, and here it was published 27th of August 2024, so that's relatively fresh, and you could be just reading more about WiseBit and discovering the features that you could be having advantage of while signing up on the site. So now I'm going to be showing you really quick the trading room first, and then the platform, and then we're gonna move on to how to create an account on WiseBit. So the platform here, or the trading room here, is actually pretty cool. The design is pretty neat, and everything that you will be needing will be under your disposition. As you can see here, the structure of the trading room is actually pretty simple. So on the left you could be finding all of the stocks, all of the cryptocurrencies, indices, currencies, or commodities that you are investing in. Of course there is a search button where you could be using it to just type manually what you're looking for. And of course, here on the right, you could be finding the chart that you are interested in. Of course, you can be putting multiple charts, and on the left, you could be finding some tools that you will be putting, for example, text, or you want to do a brush or something like that to draw something on top of your chart. And here you could be changing the aspect of the chart, so from lines to halo candles to candles. For me, I really like the bars and I really like baseline. Of course, on the right, you'll be finding the order execution action, like trading, buying, selling, putting in the investment quantity or amount. Of course, the leverage here, the take profit whenever you want to take profit automatically, or the stop loss when you're losing. You won't be losing so much, and you will be just automatically out of the order or out of the of this transaction. So you would be losing. For example, we have an investment of $25 and we want the stop loss to be 10. So the maximum loss is $10, which is 40% of your investment, and you keep the other 60% in case of a really unexpected loss. We're gonna go back to the main page, and here we're gonna be checking the platform. Of course, it is also a pretty interesting aspect about WiseBit, and I really want to check it out and show it guys around. Of course, they have here a support live chat. If you, in case you have like any questions or you have any inquiries, you could just press the chat right there and you will be directed to a bot or with their 24/5 support agent. So the WiseBit AI platform, it is the best crypto and forex broker. It has the #1 best platform on margin trading and the best crypto trading. My advice for that is just to go create an account and just mess around, since it's all free to trade and to like check out the features that they are offering. The trade now, no download required, seamless design, customizable interface, large menu of tradable assets, wealth of charting tools and technical indicators, and one-click fast trade executions. And now guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to create an account on WiseBit. You will see how easy it is to create an account, and all you have to do is just to put a first name, a last name, and your email address. Of course, make sure that you're putting some correct informations, and here you could be just typing in your phone number. As a password, you could be choosing any password, but try to keep it secure and choosing a special symbol. And then when you're finished, you just need to press submit, and you will be automatically redirected inside of the platform, where you will be required to verify your account and of course do the deposits and funding your account and finishing up all of the other details about your account. So now we're going to be checking out also their social media from Instagram, Facebook. They have also a LinkedIn page, a Twitter or X page, and they have some different blogs on Trustpilot and on other platforms that we will be checking out right now. So here are the reviews for WiseBit. As you can see, WiseBit is seamlessly a new platform out there, so obviously there is not going to be a lot of reviews, but feel free to use the links in the description below to put your review after checking out the website. So as you can see on reviews.io, it has 100% recommend for WiseBit AI. It has 40 reviews with a 4.4 rating review, and here you could be just seeing the reviews from different users. Of course, it is also available on sitejabber.com and Trustpilot, so make sure you use the links in the description below in order to put your review, and make sure to also sign up with the link in the description below in order to get some special features. So guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. Today we talked about WiseBit. We went through the different sections of the website, and of course we went through the platform, the trading room, and the account types, and I showed you how to register on the website. So if you like this video, please make sure to give us a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course comment in the comment section below all the questions that I may have not covered, and I'll try to go through those as soon as possible. Of course, all of the links and resources used in this video, including the Trustpilot and the reviews and for the feedbacks, are in the description below, so make sure you check out those too, and have a good day. Bye bye.